What happened? Say that was weird. Did it pounce all over your head? Say, Mom, I don't like getting wet. Your little feet are wet. Coconut's like, I love getting wet, Mom. It is a-raining. It's a-raining. All right, we'll play a little ball. We'll play a little ball in the rain. Hasn't rained for days. 1, 2, 3. Looks so pretty. My little tiki torches by my pumpkin. So beautiful. Yes, so beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Wow, it looks like bugs are going in the... It looks like the raindrops are going sideways. What is going on? Ready? 1, 2, 3. What are you doing, stinky butt? What are you doing? Hi. 1. Drop. Drop a D-ball. Oh my gosh, you're all wet. Ew. Num 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 num. Drop. Drop one more time. You're all wet. Yeah, you're all wet. Yeah, now I gotta find a towel and dry you off. I didn't even know it was raining. 1, 2, 3. Stink, stink, dewberry. Where's the towel? Yes, we have to dry her off. Why are you attacking the towel? Yes, we'll have to dry your sissy off. Oh my goodness gracious. You gonna wrestle with me? Ooh, I like wrestling. I like wrestling. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's see who will lose the towel first. Wow, Dink, you're so fun. You're so fun. Yes, I'm gonna have a party and invite you over. You'll be the life of the party. Wow.